In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the infinite ammo glitch on R.E.P.O. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Okay, so this glitch is very easy. Currently there are only 3 ranged weapons and it works for every single gun. So I have the trunk gun, the shotgun and the handgun right here, and the only thing you will need is a gun and the recharge or the battery drone. So you just need to pick up your gun. In my case, let's try with the trunk gun, for example, and use it to leave it empty. Okay, now once you have your gun empty, you will need to pick up your recharge drone and activate it just for a second and then deactivate it. Now if we pick up our gun, you will see it has no ammo, but if you try to shoot, you will see it works perfectly fine. So this way you can keep the infinite ammo on your gun. This works for every single gun. Now I'm gonna try it with the shotgun, for example. So what we need to do is leave it empty and recharge it just for a second. And now as you can see, we can use the shotgun as many times as you want. So this is very easy and you can do it as many times as you want with any gun, and this way you can kill the monsters much easier and complete your levels very easy. So you will probably need to do the glitch again after every round or every level, but that's it. It only takes a few seconds and it's probably the most useful glitch at the moment. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.